If your qBittorrent keeps showing an I/O error, here's how to fix it. This usually means it can't access your download location properly, often due to drive issues or permission problems. First, open the folder you're downloading to. Right-click it and select Properties. In the General tab, uncheck the Read-Only box if it's enabled. For some reason, this can flip on and block torrents from writing files. Click Apply, confirm any prompts, then OK. Now restart the torrent. It should start right away. There it is, back to downloading and finishing normally. But if the I/O error still shows up, go back to that same folder's properties. This time, open the Security tab. Check if your main user account has full permissions for the folder. If not, click Edit and enable anything that's turned off. And if it's still not working, then try running qBittorrent with elevated privileges. An easy way to do this is to right-click the qBittorrent icon on your taskbar. In the menu that pops up, right-click the app name again, then select Properties. Click Open File Location to jump to the .exe file. Right-click the executable, choose Properties, and switch to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Hit OK, then restart qBittorrent and see if that solves it. If none of this works, then here's one more thing you can try. Go into qBittorrent settings. Under the Downloads section, change the default save path to a different folder or drive, preferably one that's on the same drive as your system, like your main Documents folder. Sometimes the issue is tied to external drives or special folders with odd permissions. After changing the path, restart qBittorrent and re-add the torrent file. That should fix it.